Hello, the stage is set. Today we have a special guest, Kitty, and Kitty is going to help us to show you a piece of furniture we made for our Hymer Aktiv. So first of all, let's take a look at what's inside the Hymer garage. Okay, so this is the piece of furniture I want to show you, and the height of the furniture is just a little short of the bed, so that it will fit in this storage space nicely. Okay, these are made out of recycled pallets. Very nice sturdy hinge. These hinges could carry a lot of weight, and it has a locking, self-locking in the closed as well as the open position. So this is our picnic table arrangement, and now let's measure the dimension of it. So the table is 26.5 inches wide. A little over 21 inches deep. And the height is about 22.75 inches. 22.75 inches height. Next step, we're going to convert this into a bench seat for the dinette inside. First step is to remove the wooden boot. This is the boot. Okay, let's bring it inside the vehicle. We have a very nice day today. The sky is blue, even though it's a little on the cold side. So this is the table arrangement with the bench seat for someone to sit on the end. And now we could take a look at how we're going to convert it into a platform bed. So this is the mattress, and the seats is rotated 180 degree, fully reclined. This is how far back the seat could be reclined. All right, let's unfold the mattress. Okay, so this is the bed arrangement. And let's measure to see how long this bed is. So this is about 64 inches. 64 inches. Because we have a organizing cabinet here, and this organizing cabinet is about 6 inches deep. So in total, a bed could be made up to 70 inches. 70 inches. And so this is the full view of the bed arrangement on the passenger side. And as I show you on the cover sheet, we also have a cot arrangement on the driver's side. So if people don't mind to be a little crowded, we could fit 4 people in Mayflower. I hope you like this video. Have a good day, and Merry Christmas. Bye bye.